my God, that's very chistoso. Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is chistoso. Chistoso. This means funny. In some situations, it could mean strange or amusing. Chistoso is a Spanish adjective. Also, chistoso is masculine and chistosa is feminine. The plural form is chistosos or chistosas. Now let's see a few examples using this word. ¡Qué chica tan chistosa! ¡Qué chica tan chistosa! No lo sé, el vestido se te ve chistoso. No lo sé, el vestido se te ve chistoso. Don't you ever say that to a woman, otherwise she might get mad. El comediante es chistoso. El comediante es chistoso. La película es demasiado chistosa. La película es demasiado chistosa. Las personas chistosas me caen bien. Las personas chistosas me caen bien. Los payasos no son chistosos, me dan miedo. Los payasos no son chistosos, me dan miedo. What do you think? Are clowns funny or are they scary? Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!